This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Power off the Xiaomi phone before removing the SIM card to avoid damage. Hold the phone securely with one hand to prevent drops. Locate the SIM tray on the right or top edge of the phone model. Inspect the small round eject hole beside the tray to confirm orientation. Use the SIM eject tool or an unfolded paperclip about 2 mm thick to press gently. Apply steady pressure until the tray. Gently slide the SIM tray out until it stops, then lift it free. Place the tray on a flat surface to prevent losing tiny parts or cards. Note the tray layout for nano SIM, micro SD, or dual SIM placement shown by molded icons. Remove the SIM by lifting it out carefully using a fingernail or plastic tool. Handle SIM cards by the edges, avoiding contact with gold contacts to prevent corrosion or damage. Align the SIM card with the notch and place it back into the tray correctly. Make sure the card is seated flat and secure without lifting any corner. Reinsert the tray gently until it clicks flush with the phone frame, avoiding force. Power on the phone to verify network signal and carrier recognition within 1 minute. If no signal appears, reboot again or try the SIM in another phone to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.